welcome to my wonder channel. Today we're doing science. And here we have Sprite and Mentos and food coloring. First we get open soda. We get some wet food coloring to make it like a volcano. And then drops of I got some Mentos. Oh. Now I'm ready. Do you know this is a physical reaction? The Mentos look move. But if you look in a microscope, you can see tiny bumps in the surface. The rough surface breaks the bond between carbon dioxide and water. It's in the big eruption. It only works once. The Mentos. That's cool. I used all the food coloring to make like some different colors, like green or like a kind of violet color. I guess so much in my clothes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And remember, never stop learning.